Hello my friends, my name is Pratiksha Dubey. Today we discuss on topic access modifier in Java. So it is also called as access specifier. In Java, access modifier helps to restrict the scope of class, constructor, variable, methods or data members. It provides security or accessibility, etc. to the user depending upon the access modifier used with the element. Let us learn about Java access modifier, their types and uses of access modifiers. Types of access modifier in Java, there are four types of access specifier, that is public, private, protected and default. So let's see it's one by one. Public access modifier. The public access modifier is specified using the keyword public. The public access modifier has the widest scope among all other access and access modifiers. So classes method or data members that are declared as public are accessible from everywhere in the program. There is no restriction on the scope of public data members. Now next is private access modifier. The private access modifier is specified using keyword private. The method or data members declared at private are accessible only within the class in which they are declared. So any other class of the same package will not be able to access these members. Now next, top level classes or interfaces cannot be declared as private because private means only visible within the enclosing class. Now next is protected access modifier. The protected access modifier is specified using the keyword protected. The method or data members declared as protected are accessible within the same package or subclasses in different packages. Now next is default access modifier. When no access modifier is specified for a class method or data member, it is said to be having the default access modifier. By default, the data member classes or methods that are not declared using any access modifier, that is having default access modifier or accessible only within the same package. So that's it about access modifiers and specifiers or specifiers. So thank you.